Now let's see, you are given x is positive. Which of the following could be the correct ordering of these numbers? What would be the best way to start this problem? Please tell me. Straight away pick numbers. And something else? Sorry? You could break up the statements. Nice. That is also possible. You are saying put the equality sign so that you know what values to pick up. What else can you do? Which statement is very difficult to prove in this case? First or second or third? If. So that means there is no randomization required here. You must be able to try some values for sure. Remember one thing, for the graph of 1 by x, what is the critical point? Where does it really change the shape? 1. Right, when x is equal to 1, it will be a big problem here because it just suddenly will change. So when I say 1 is the point, just below 1 and just above 1 I must check. So I must check x is equal to 0.9 and I must check x is equal to 1.1 if 1 by x is involved. What are the other critical points? So these are the 7 points apart from these. If 1 by x is involved, these are the 2 points you will use. Apart from that, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. This is your standard set of numbers that you can use always. Okay, if 1 by x is involved, then make the set 9 different values. I hope it's clear. Now, my first thing is x is positive, so let me forget all this. What is my first number to plug in? 1 by 2. Does 1 by 2 satisfy this? Please check. The first statement is 1 by 2 satisfying it. So that means, and you are asked could be or must be, what is the thing? So that is only one value. This is good enough, so this is okay. 1 is happening. If you use 1 by 2 for the second statement, will it be satisfied or not? If you use 1 by 2 for the second statement, will it be satisfied? No. So don't go to 1 because 1 by x is involved. So what is the next number I should use? If 1 by x is involved, what are the other two numbers? 0.9. So try 0.9 here. 0.9 square is 0.81. 1 by 0.9 is around 1.1 and 0.9 into 2 is 1.8. So 0.81 is less than 1.1 and less than 1.8. Yes or no? So this is satisfied. You try this for 1 by 2, 0.9, 1, 1.1 and 2. If it is satisfied by even one number, it's okay. If it is not satisfied, this will never be satisfied. Try this out, please. I'm not sure means as a student you will not be sure that 1 by 2 will, so just check quickly. It's very fast. If I check this one for example, this will become, if I take 1 by 2, so 1 by 4 anyway not right, don't have to check any further. If I take 0.9, 1.8 less, not possible. If I take 1, 2 is less than 1, not possible. If I take 2, 1.1 for example, do you agree it won't satisfy? And for 2 also it won't satisfy. Simple. So I don't have to even put values in this one. These are not satisfied directly for any n. So that means the third statement will never be satisfied for any other number. So you might have a logical question, what if it is satisfied for x equal to 78? Right? What if it is satisfied for x equal to 2,30,000 something? I don't know. So what is the answer then? What is the answer? Yeah. No, that's fine, but that is why I am asking what if it is satisfied for 10 or something. So do you agree that this number will go on becoming smaller and smaller and smaller? That means for x equal to 10 it's impossible to satisfy this, and for a larger number. So you should know that for a larger number it's impossible. Another thing, If you use this comprehensive set, you will be able to solve every problem. You should start believing that beyond this, if it is not satisfied, it will not be satisfied for any other number. This is the most comprehensive set of value checks. Okay, so suppose it is still not convincing. Some people like algebra, so let's put it that way. So let's see what I am trying to do. Let's do it by algebra first. Let's divide it into two parts. Let's divide this into two parts. This and this. X square is less than 2x and 2x is less than 1 by x. Right. Because x is positive, can I directly cancel? Yes. Remember that, because it's positive only. So x is less than 2. If I use this, 2x square is less than 1. That means x square is less than 1 by 2. So x is less than 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is always 0.7. You should know that value. So x is less than 0.7. Is there a common solution to x is less than 2 and x is less than 0.7? What is the common solution? So x is less than 0.7 is always going to be satisfied. Always. That is why x equal to 1 by 2 satisfied it. You may try it for the other ones also. X square is less than 1 by x. So that is one value. And 1 by x is less than 2x. Let's do it quickly. Okay, this is also fast. I said it is totally up to you to use algebra or numbers. Now x square is less than 1 by x, is x cube less than 1, so x is less than 1. X, in this case 2x square is greater than 1, so x square is greater than 1 by 2, so x is greater than 1 by, so x is greater than 0.7. So what do I get? X is less than 1 and x is greater than? That is why, what was the number that satisfied here? Alright.